Got my motherboard, my RAM, my CPU. I'm gonna get more of this, another 8 gigabytes. I'll be at 16. I don't care for any more than that. Here's my keyboard, little TV. It's my current rig. It's got my GTX 460s SLI'd, but I'm going to put a 450 free performance boost by EVGA in there and take my 460s out and put it in here and attach that shit to this new motherboard. And it should be a nice little fucking under $2,000 screaming gaming rig. Well under $2,000. So I'm just gonna put the motherboard, attach the RAM and CPU, tidy up some shit in here and get it ready for the power supply, video cards, and the actual wiring up of all this nightmare madness donkey shit. That's a Cooler Master CM Scout. This is the Cooler Master 692 Advanced, or the 692. I know it's the thicker one, but it doesn't have the USB 3s built in. Again, some shit I don't care about. My motherboard's gonna have it eventually. Both my computers have these 4 and 3 hard drive bay / fan things, giving both my computers an extra intake in the front, which is fantabulous. That computer's got 2 green sickle flows, a 1.8 Mach 1.8, another green sickle flow, a green sickle flow right there, and then a standard 120 blue Cooler Master fan. And then this one's gonna get the Corsair H100i at the top. I'm gonna keep static pressure fans on it for the exhaust. I'm gonna put or I might just, I don't know yet. Y'all find out later when I'm done with this shit. Peace.